Excuse me? What's going on?
I'm recording it.
You did?
I'm recording it.
Oh, Jesus Christ, you fucking liar! How humorous!
I can hear it all.
This guy's over here lying. Now he's lying. He said I went up to his house and poked him in the chest and threatened him. When? Just now. This is what he's saying to the police.
Now?
He's telling the police this on the phone.
And then the neighbor right here, I'll lay your ass out.
Yeah, and
I
now
don't
the
know.
neighbor comes out and he threatens me too.
No, but they're like ganging up on Dad.
Come on, come on.
They're going to do this in front of a child.
I was the witness. I heard